Hello everyone, this is Drew Drives at Grubbs Acura in Grapevine, Texas, and today let's go for a drive in this 2023 Acura MDX Type S Tech. This MDX Type S is very uncommon because they discontinued the MDX Type S Tech in 2023. It was only lasted for 2 model years. It's basically the lower trim level of the MDX Type S, with being the Tech and the Advanced Type S Advance. This vehicle has a 3-liter turbo V6 with 355 horsepower and 354 pound-feet of torque with a 10-speed automatic transmission, and you also have an air suspension. The Type S Tech is basically like an A-Spec in the interior. You have the ultra suede inserts, ELS Studio 3D 17-speaker sound system, and flat bottom steering wheel. You have the nice shift paddles behind the wheel as well, parking sensors, all those good things, heated seats and ventilated seats, right? And then the Type S Advance would give you, all the other, with the massage seats and all the other stuff on top of that. But let's walk around this MDX Type S Tech. It's finished in majestic black pearl. The Type S Tech gave you like the shark gray wheel design. The Type S Advance has like the Berlin, same wheel design, but there's Berlin black with the silver blades in them. Frameless diamond pentagon grille. Looks really good. But yeah, as I said, it looks really similar to an A-Spec, except the back has quad outlet exhaust, as you can see right here. And as I said, they're really uncommon. They barely made the 2020. They really barely made the Type S Tech. I barely ever see them. And here's the Type S rear cargo mat in the back too. But I really love the MDX Type S. It's a very awesome car to drive, very good looking SUV. It's not like insanely fast or anything, but it is more than but it is quick for sure for what it is. And in the used market, the MDX Type S offers a great value in like the $50,000 range. It's a lot of car for the money. And you have a really nice key fob on the Type S, wedge shape, red accents, and it says Type S on the back of the key. But let's take this Type S out on the road and see what it's like to drive it. And obviously it's super handling all-wheel drive. So the Type S, MDX Type S has like a muted exhaust compared to the TLX Type S. I always wondered why. I mean, I guess maybe because the MDX Type is intended to be more luxurious or something, but I wish it had the active exhaust that the TLX Type S has. It sounds so much better than this, because this car has quad outlet exhaust, but doesn't sound that way. But I mean, it is what it is. It still sounds decent, but like in the cabin, it sounds really good. Like that sounds amazing, but from the outside of the car, you can barely hear anything. And it handles really well. Like, I think I would daily drive an MDX Type S all day. I absolutely love it. I love the styling. I love the way it drives. And as I said, in the used car value proposition is amazing, right? Especially a CPO MDX Type S. And you don't really see them all that often, as I said. You don't see Type S Advances that often, let alone Type S Techs. You'll definitely have a pretty uncommon vehicle for sure. You have wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity in this vehicle as well. And yeah, this one doesn't have a 360 camera. As I said, it's almost identical to an A-Spec in here. Like, there's basically no difference other than this Type S badge, where the A-Spec would say A-Spec. Yeah, I really like this car. I mean, it would be a great daily driver in case you need to, haul around. Even if you're like, don't have like a family and kids and all that, you could literally, it's still fun to drive, and then you could haul around your friends and multiple passengers in it, and plus you could haul a bunch of stuff in it. I just love this car. In Sport Plus, obviously the transmission will be the most responsive and the suspension will be pretty low to the ground. Nice shifting. As you can see, it's very responsive. And you do have a wireless charging tray, but like your phone will definitely flop around if you're going fast and going around corners and stuff. Even in the Sport Plus, it's pretty smooth. It's still really comfortable. It doesn't become like harsh or anything, which is good. But it will definitely give you better driving characteristics and feel, which is a great thing. I'm gonna put in like the regular sport mode, and obviously in Sport Plus the exhaust will be as loud as it possibly can be. Obviously not the biggest thing on the MDX Type S, but on the TLX Type S and Integra Type S, you will definitely hear the exhaust more in that sense. And you can see the parking sensors come into action right there. You can also see the sensors over there too. You also have rear cross traffic monitoring. But yeah, just a really nice vehicle right here. I love the MDX Type S. I think it's great. Drives good, looks good. Very practical. But anyways, that is about it. Thank you for watching another video of Droop Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships and Grubbs Acura in the description below if you'd like to shop for your own MDX Type S.